Hello friends, this is MUL-T-LOCK Euro cylinder 5 pin. 3 pins is the spool. This is the old version. This is not the new one, the MTL200. No, it's the old. This is made before maybe 20 years, 50 years, something like this. And it's more difficult from the new one. Okay, now the lock is jump, move on the core. So what we need to do now is pick the spool. So now we look in this, what is binding. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. 5 is binding now. And the lock is open. So this is MUL-T-LOCK. See you the profile. Like this the profile look like. 5 pin. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.